What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video, guys, is an update on NIO, as well as me teaching you the charts again, okay? So class is in session. I need you guys to watch this all the way through. I got more game to teach you. I got more ways to teach you about the charts in a way that you're not going to get it nowhere else, okay? I want to make sure that you guys can go fish for yourself and see all the things that I see to hit home runs every single day in the stock market, all right? So without further ado, let's get ready to take a look at my portfolio. But listen, if you haven't already, make sure you like the channel, okay? Please subscribe, and if I helped you in any way, whether that's help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please like and subscribe to the channel, okay? Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, guys, on the road to 100K, your boy is currently sitting at $83,055.49. It has been a phenomenal week in the stock market, guys. Listen, think about this, man. Just think about $55,000 within a week and just times that by 4. Just think about consistently doing that every single week in the stock market, okay? Listen, that's possible when you guys are in the right place, investing in the right things, and getting advice from the right people that's going to guide you guys the right way, okay? Again, if you rock with me, I'm taking everybody to the top. Over here, everybody wins, everybody's eat. So if you're new to the channel, if you don't know what's been going on, again, I welcome each and every one of you guys. Listen, every single week, I talk about plays. I tell you where to buy. I tell you when to sell. I give you options to make sure that you can hit a home run and make extra money along the journey. And so if you like that kind of stuff, please join us as we get ready to prepare for takeoff. And before I talk to you guys about NIO, I need to talk to you guys about IDX, otherwise known as Ideonomics. Listen, guys, I first introduced this play back in April. Somebody, if you can, go back and look at my old videos to see how long ago I first talked about this and put the world onto this play, okay? So listen, this is one that I want you to put on your watch list. You guys always got to have a list of stocks that nobody is talking about, that again is under the radar, that you guys are researching on a daily basis, so that when something begins to pop, you guys are first in line for the run up. Guys, I did this with Plug. I did this with NIO. I'm talking about when these plays wasn't on nobody's list. I'm talking about when Plug was $1, when NIO was $1. Okay, I'm talking about you guys got to find these plays before they become the hype, before the YouTubers get a hold of them and start talking about them. This is one, I've been talking about this, but again, put this on your watch list, go research it, and then see how this can fit in the fold in the future of your portfolio. Guys, today is all about NIO though. Ticker symbol NIO, currently sitting at $49.39. It is kicking on the door of $50, okay? It hit 54 as a high. It fell shortly with the negative news by Citron, but we don't care about that. I told you guys way back when we bought this at 7 that this would go places, okay? And it is going places as we speak. Listen, guys, if you don't already, make sure you got your 125 shares minimum, because again, this is a $100 play, okay? But on the route to 100, it's going to touch 50, it's going to touch 60, 70, and so on, okay? So you have plenty opportunities to get into this. Everybody asks me all the time, is it too late to get into NIO? No. And if you guys become long-term investors instead of short-term day traders, you really can get in this anytime. You just have to hold and have a longer time horizon in terms of how long that you hold, okay? So 43 and 40 is our price target entry for the $40 range, okay? And I told you what we do if it drops to 30, all right? And listen, guys, I want to make sure that you are putting your trailing stop loss on it. So a really quick example for those that need to see just how to do this, okay? You hit sell, you go here, you hit your trailing stop loss, and then you know, if you rock with me, guys, we never lose money in the stock market. We dominate every single week and we never lose money, and this is why we never lose money, because we slap a 5 on all our home runs to make sure that we lock in profits. Make sure you do that on the plays that has ran up. Don't do this on plays that you just started investing in that hasn't ran up yet. However, on all the plays that I talk to you about, there's no denying, I know the plays, you know the plays that we've hit and it all went to the roof. this is when you slap your trailing stop loss on, okay? And so that's what I want you to do to protect your profits, whether it's NIO or any other stock. So go through your portfolio right now and look at what has ran up to protect your profits from any downturn. Class is in session, guys, and up next we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is support. Listen, guys, I'm going to bring out the charts and get ready to teach you guys about what support is, otherwise known as a bottom. I'm about to break it all down, so make sure that you tap in, lock in, get your pen and paper out for this one. Okay, guys, please take a look at my screen, but look at the yellow line. I highlighted this so that your eyes can focus on the right thing. I'll talk to you about resistance in another video, but today it's all about support. Okay, you guys need to know, how do I always know how to hit a home run with damn near every play that I talk and teach you guys about, okay? Support is nothing more than a bottom, okay? You never can time a bottom. You can't time anything in the market. However, you can learn to talk to the charts. The stock market will talk to you when you guys reach a level of mastery where you know the game the way I know the game and teach you guys the game every day, okay? And when the stock hits the bottom, you will know by this line, this yellow line at the bottom, okay? Look at where and how that it is building a base. We call that a bottom, but the technical people or the people on TV call it a level of support. Support means that it's not going to drop below this. I talk to you guys all the time about not chasing and not having the fear of missing out. Why? Because all stocks will come back down to the price where you can get it at. This is how I know this. And so I don't care what play it is, you can always get it at the price you want, because it will retest the lows or the bottom, okay, or a level of support. And when it get it, which is why you guys see my portfolio and how I hit home runs every single day, is because when you are in the stock market and you buy low, you are always getting the best price. So when it runs up, you are seeing even a bigger run up than everybody else that may have had a minimal success, okay? And so one way you do this, guys, is to, again, always allow a stock to fall back down. Buy it when it's at the low, so you will know, again, it will stay there, it will trade sideways. Remember, I taught you guys that yesterday's video, okay? It will trade sideways. Sometimes it might go a little lower, but it'll come right back to it. That's your indicator, okay? It's not about timing the market. It's about you understanding, okay, man, I see it don't go too far below 10. It always, such and such stock always stick below 10 or 11. As soon as it hit 9, it jumped right back to 10. That, instead of just thinking that's just coincidence, you need to say to yourself, okay, this must be the bottom. Let me buy up, or like I say on the channel, let's load up the boat, or let's pounce on this at these levels, okay? Because it's just preparing to go back up and try to create new highs, okay? So listen, guys, support is what you need to know about the bottom, meaning the stock is not going to go lower than where that level of support is at. It might go a little bit lower sense wise, but it will creep right back up to a certain range, okay? That might be $8 to $10 if it's a low number like that, or whatever the number is with whatever stock you may be looking at. So again, guys, focus in on that. Look at this, zoom in if you need to, so that you can see what a level of support look like. And why do I always say buy low? And this is what we mean when we say buy low. Buy it when it has reached a bottom. Hey guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope that was beneficial, okay? These are all the things that I use to tell you guys whether a play is about to pop, an option play is going to do numbers, or whether we're going to do a put or a call. All these little nuanced things are just small, minute things that make big differences, okay? This is how you guys get to 5,000 in a week, every single week. And it's more than that, really. I just happen to show where that's at today. But again, if you guys learn and embrace these little things that I come on here and openly share with you guys every single day, I can guarantee you, you are going to start hitting home runs beyond the ones we hit together. You already know we're a family, and so we in it to win it together, and that's what we're going to always do. Listen, guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from NY for Life 77. I'm finally understanding the importance of having 100 shares of stock after it runs up You can take profits on the capital gains as well as collect a premium for selling a call. NY for life, I thank you for sending this in because you are 100% right. Guys, if you are new to the channel and don't know what I teach and preach every single day, okay, I help you all make so much money. I help you guys leave the corporate plantation. I help people retire early. I make millionaires, and I'm gonna make all of you guys thousandaires. Why? Because I'm gonna teach you the game the right way. I'm gonna give it to you how nobody else will give it to you. One reason why I have you buy a minimum of 125 shares is because as new and beginning investors, I need to teach you guys what it is to be a real investor. Buying one share don't make you an investor. Buying 2 to 3 shares, you just don't get the real feeling, okay? It's too easy because you don't have skin in the game to get out of the play, okay? But once you get 125 shares, you develop an affinity, you develop a greater commitment towards those plays, and then you have an expectation for those plays that it's supposed to produce a return on your investment, okay? And so 125 helps you do that. It also helps me eventually teach you guys how to sell calls. I teach you guys every day how to buy calls and how to buy puts. But guys, I dominate options every single day, and there's so much more I have to teach you beyond buying calls and puts. Okay, selling calls and selling puts is also part of the game. Scalping is part of the game. Covered calls is part of the game. Leaps is part of the game. And I need to teach you all of that stuff so that you can dominate the whole spectrum of options. There's so much more, and it's way more levels, okay? And so having 100 shares helps you do that. I have covertly made you guys beasts in the stock market, okay? And one thing about that you don't even know when I have you guys buy those shares is that you are prepared for so much that you don't even know, but you're going to just make so much money on the journey because at least you got your positions built out the right way. Also, the 125 shares is a way for me to allow you guys to take profits. I already know what I'm investing in. I already did the research. I already did everything about every company I talk about. So I know what it's going to do already. I just happen to come on YouTube and share it with you guys. However, by knowing that, when we hit the home run like we do every week, we can take profit on the 25 and let the 100 ride. We can still hold the 100 because if we bought something at 10 and it go to 30, we can take profit on 25 but still have 100 shares remaining in that place. So when it go to 60 from 30, we have made another double up. When it go to 90 and 100, we still in it making money, but we're still eating along the way so you can get into new plays. And so guys, I don't know nobody with a colder strategy for investing in me. I've been doing this for 12 years and dominating a long time. I'm just happy to come on each and every day to give you guys the game and show you how to build real wealth, retire early, leave your job, and set your kids up for success. So listen guys, if you have comments below, leave them and I'll grab them and add them to my next video. If you like stuff like this, I make videos like this every day. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.